one of the advantages of using a broker that many people may not know is that typically you're going to pay a lower cost over the life of your loan when dealing with a broker than you would when dealing with a bank direct. Now, why is this? Generally, when a broker negotiates with a bank, they're going to be able to do a better job than you will if you're trying to negotiate yourself directly. I experienced this firsthand this week. Coincidentally, both myself and a client both had investment interest-only loans that we'd written about 2 years ago, rolling into principal and interest next month. And so we're both going through the process of having our loans convert to principal and interest at the same time. Now, for those of you who don't know, when this happens, the bank will generally send you an offer, and it's up to you whether to accept that or try and refinance or renegotiate. So for me, the bank called me up and they gave me an offer of 7.09% principal and interest on this loan. And that's a horrific rate. I told them that rate's horrific, and they said, look, let me see what I can do. I'll call you back and see if we can do any better. So 5 minutes later, they call me back and they say, look, I've spoken to my boss. I can get you a rate of 6.39%. Now that rate's still pretty bad. I said, look, I'm not going to accept that. If 6.39 is the best you can do, I'm going to refinance. Now, they didn't seem to know that I was a broker, which is odd given I wrote the loan myself, but doesn't matter. She said, look, let me see what I can do. I'm going to talk to my boss. I'm going to see if I can get you a better deal. I'll see what I can do for you. 5 minutes later, she calls me back. She said, look, I've managed to get you a fantastic rate. It's 6.29%, which is the absolute best I can do. So you need to accept this now because I don't know if I can keep offering this long term. I accepted it, knowing that I can just reprice it myself later on, and I've moved on. So now I've got a fantastic rate dealing with the bank directly of 6.29%. My client, who has the same loan, interest only, converting to principal and interest on investment at 80%, everything exact same bank. We repriced his loan yesterday and got the pricing back first time at 5.99%. That client doesn't have to do anything. All they had to do was have a relationship with a broker who did the pricing for them, and we managed to get them a better price first time without any hassle at all. Now, I'm going to get myself the same rate as well, so don't worry about me. But the point is, if you are using a broker, you're going to save more money over the life of the loan than you would be if you dealt with the bank directly. If you don't like the rate that your bank is offering you at the moment, feel free to reach out. We'll see if we can help.